Well, hey guys, happy Saturday. Picking up exactly where we left off. Well, actually where we left off in Thursday's vlog, I took a cab to my hotel and I just walked in my room. It is beautiful. So I thought I would show you guys a little room tour. I am at the Four Seasons Las Colinas in, I guess, near Dallas, outside of Dallas, is a suburb of Dallas, I'm not sure. But it is really nice here. I am really liking my digs. And you guys will be happy to know that they have actual mugs here. I'm thrilled by this. I don't have to waste paper. I can just keep refilling my mug, and they have complimentary coffee downstairs till 10 a.m. And a variety of teas. They have Harney & Sons, those cute little, although this is a vegan frowny face, but they are cute. Those little honey pots, those little jars of honey. They need little jars of agave for the sake of the bees, but say, you know, contents aside, the little jars are cute. Yeah, I still don't have any tinted sunscreen or mascara on, so, you know, I look a little ghostly, but I'm telling you, that mask on the flight, good little skincare travel hack there. If you aren't embarrassed, which you guys know I'm not, I'm gonna wear a mask in public. If you guys are not embarrassed, I recommend doing that, because if you have an event that you're going to that day, like a wedding or something, you know that the humidity, the lack of humidity in the air cabin can dry out your skin. If you have acne, it can trigger breakouts. So do yourself a favor, forget about the person next to you for the hour or whatever, and just do it. You're never gonna see him again. I always say that, but you know, one day I'm gonna see the same person again and again, and then be like, you're that freak with the mask. But hey, I'm cool with it. But anyways, my rambling aside, I'm loving this room. It's nice and spacious, which is I'll let Texas. Everything is bigger here in Texas. It's actually, you know, when I left Houston, it was hot, and as soon as I landed here, it got really cold, and it kind of is almost making me feel a little Downton Abbey-ish. You can see my view here. I don't have a great capture here because the window's fogging up. It's cold out there, but I've got a little balcony. So it's rather cold out here, but there's one of the pools. I was saying how optimistic I'd be going in the pool. Yeah, not this time. It is freezing cold. But over there is a little spa. Apparently you can get to the spa by going underground. And then there's a golf course. And it's nice we all have these little balconies. Oh, this is so cool. I love that it's actually cold. I know that's not what most people think when they come to a spa, but I love it. It's extra cozy. Okay, we'll close that so you guys can see the actual room. So there's the balcony, and then I have, what is this, place to keep my belongings. Oh, yep, closet and mirror. And all of the usual, oh cool, little shoe bags, laundry bags. I think you have your laundry down here. Ironing board and iron and whatnot. What exactly is this? Is this a light? What in the flip? Okay, we're gonna experiment together, gang. We're gonna learn together what this does. Oh yeah. Remember when I had that awful desk in my other apartment and I was always on the search for a lamp? This thing would have been perfect because the light is nice. It's a nice type of light and it's very streamlined. I really like that. I need to consult the concierge, who was incredibly friendly. The front desk, very friendly. I need to consult them on where they got that. I like that a lot. It's very minimal and very functional. All right, I have a desk here and the telly. And then I have some overpriced alcohol here. Tito's vodka, Knob Creek. Yeah. Very nice barware, I guess. And I'm wondering, I wonder if this is complimentary. The Nespresso. I'm afraid, I'm scared. Coffee should be free for the sake of the animals. Otherwise I'll go berserk. Numi tea. Then we have some drawers and what have you here. And then, I know this isn't free. Snack basket. Holy cow, it's terrific. jerky, Kate's Real Food. All right, and a little safe. Now we've got our mirror here, which is pretty nice. I like that. A little seating area there, and the bed. It's like MTV Cribs. Nice, tasteful image there of a what is that, a prairie, something like that. There's a little hallway with Ramoa parked there, and then check out these swanky digs. This is the bathroom. I have a little robe there, and one of these phone booth showers with kind of L'Occitane shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. All right, look forward to trying those out. We have our little makeup mirror and verbena body lotion. Ooh, that's going home with me. I'm not opening that, I'm taking it with me because it's cute. You know that's gonna be nice in my linen closet. All right, hair dryer, usual. Look at this tub, guys. Talk about luxury, that is nice. And we have a scale, thinner. Okay, that's kind of a weird message on a scale. I like the little baggie around the toilet paper. Trick or treat. So yeah, that is my room, but I accidentally hit the decaf button on the little espresso machine downstairs. So I'm gonna remedy that by taking myself back down there, and maybe we can explore together. Going over to check out the spa. I wonder if the spa music is copyright restricted. Ooh, nice duds. Oh wow, it's kind of my style. Grays and, oh, that looks comfy. Ooh. Now I'm glad I bought my bathing suit. I could come in here and take a dunk. We have steam rooms. It's relaxing. So I came in the restaurant to get a little brunch. It's like 11, 10 o'clock, maybe 9:30, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. The restaurant's really nice. I won't pan around because there are people over there and I don't want to, film them while they're eating. That's rude, but anyways. I ordered the tofu scramble and the waiter was like, "Are you sure you're going to like tofu scramble?" He looked at me like I was crazy and I was like, "It's okay. I'm vegan." It's like, oh. But how Texan is this? We've got these festive little napkins. I like this. And I'm liking these glasses too for the water. But they have a fire outside. Go out there and toast marshmallows. I put a little mascara on, so I'd wake myself up. Well, that looks really good. It's tofu, I think they said farro, and tomatoes, and sort of spinach, so that looks good. I'm glad they had a vegan on. So I'm on my way to check out the gym, and they have an Olympic-sized swimming pool in here. It's cool. And they also have indoor tennis courts and racquetball. Well, hey guys, what's up? I thought I would check in with you all. Since we last left off, I put you guys on the charger, and I went to the start of the conference, the first talk and the kind of keynote speaker, and then they had a little mingling hour, and then after that I went to the gym. The gym is really nice, by the way, yeah, I just came back and took a shower, and I am going to call it a night, and we'll continue to vlog tomorrow. So this video is not over, but this day is over. So I hope you guys enjoyed part 1. I'm excited for the conference tomorrow. The keynote talk was really good, really helpful. So there's going to be some, kind of mentoring talks and things like that. So I'm excited for that. Plus the spa is just great. So it's got a nice vibe to it. And then, there's some general dermatology talks. Like I think there's going to be a good talk on eczema this weekend. So I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, I'm having a good time. I'm here in the Four Seasons robe. No, I didn't go in the tub, but I did shampoo my hair with that L'Occitane shampoo, and it kind of smells like a veterinary clinic. I don't know what it is. Like it smells distinctly like when pets come back from the vet clinic. It doesn't smell like a dog. It just smells specifically like the vet clinic. Whatever they use in veterinary clinics to maybe disinfect things, it kind of smells like that. So yeah, L'Occitane 5 essential oils, I think it was called. Go figure. The gym was really nice though. I went for a run, and as I was running, one of the attendants in the gym, they have these attendants in the gym, super friendly. She came up to me and she gave me a cold towel. I mean, how luxurious is that? A cold little washcloth. That's perfect. Your nose gets dry. You kind of can rub your nose, and it helps your breathing go a little more smoothly. And then they have all these fun spa water. So when I get back, I totally want to get some frozen pineapple from Costco, so I can do this pineapple lime water that they have in the spa here. So yeah, that's what's going on. But yeah, I will pick up tomorrow with you guys and continue sharing this experience with you. I hope you enjoyed today, and I'll see you tomorrow. This is where some of the talks are going to be later. I thought I would show you guys before they get started, because I probably can't film when it's actively going on. What's up? It is the end of the conference day. We had a little 2-hour break, so I was able today to kind of capture some shots on my phone. I really couldn't vlog too much, so I hope you enjoyed seeing those little bits and bobs. But I just got back from the gym. I had a great workout. The gym's really nice. And I'm going to take a shower because there is a dinner and a reception, so I'm going to go to that. Maybe I can put some clips in of that, but I'm going to conclude the vlog here. I will continue to vlog the rest of the conference, so tomorrow's vlog will include that. I hope you guys are enjoying it. I'm certainly having a great time, but tonight I'll see if I can't take some more shots and just include them in the outro of this video. So just kind of piece together my time here like a patchwork quilt. But I hope you guys are having a good weekend, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.